my garage. We're in my garage, and here's the remote, and I'm going to demonstrate this garage door. Alright, that's the opening. Alright, now I'm going to go with the small door. So I'm going to show you the everyday wall control. Here's the light. And here's a lock function, so when I just switch up here, and when I push it, it locks the features. So when I push the light, it won't work, and when I push the up-down button, it won't open. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it, and as you notice, when I unlock it, the red light comes back on, signaling the remote is activated. So we're gonna go ahead and open this garage door. Pretty noisy, and they both sound different, and they're different openers. All right, now we're going to close it. All right, just a sec. Sensors may be misaligned. Nope. Something in the way? Nope, nothing in the way. Just hold it, I guess. Strange. Well, I guess that'll just be it. I'll see you in the next video.